Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a slider in Webflow. So if you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I have this particular section right here on my Webflow designer page. So what I can do is I can actually add in here a slider. Click on this plus icon right here, which is the add elements option. And what you can do is you can just scroll down until you can see the options right here for advanced. Under the advanced, you can see in here the option for slider. So head over and then just drag it where you want to put it. I'll put this just right here. And now I can see in here the slider settings. So for this one, I can choose the animation. On default, it will be slide, but you can also choose a fade over, slide over things right here. So you can also put in here the easing as well as the arrows that you can add for this one. So in here, I have this slider. So let's click on this add elements again, or you can also click on this image option in order to add an asset. So for this one, let's add this picture of a car on the slide 1, and it will be added just like this. Now let's head over to our icon on our slide 2, or you can also just click on this 2 right here in order to add in here another asset. So let's put this another asset right here. And as you can see, it's been added. Now what you can do is you can just head over and click on this publish option in order to publish your site. Click on this publish the selected domains in order to save your progress. And as you can see, it's been preparing to publish. Once you have done that, as you can see, you can click on this specific link right here in order to preview what it will look like. So let's scroll down and we have this first video or first image, and when you click on this, we have in here the slider with our second image. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.